Yes, we'll vocalize in your auditory language as a matter of courtesy. Unless we wish to say unflattering things about you, just so.
Oh yeah, what a great ceremony. I really like the cicadas.
I know the sound they make, so beautiful.
Feeling like my hair is fine, I answers in the night, and I know that I can try every time to it now and realize there isn't much to say. Just pave the way, pave all day, pave always, pavements that never end and only descending pathways. The glitches in my errors are hearing the tone. It's not just short and sweet, like put that on repeat over and over, repeat again. Now it's 4:06 and there's gotta be 2 in there also. Don't wanna flex my trombone, 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 sitting with a long tone on the telephone, getting ready to go over there and give him a piece of my mind. Don't fall behind, it's not like you know. So let's get this donkey show on the let go for sure, for sure. Mohawk dancing to the melody. There is always room for the tragedy to give my ass my life. Now I can exhale and remember to do's and do rights. I do exhale. I hail the great stresses of the stories I tell. Thanks for the mail. Thanks for the
Switch Chrome to load your favorite sites fast, so you can browse with ease. Fast?
everybody. Glad you could make it. You know, we've been through some amazing adventures together, but I just gotta tell you about one that beats them all. You see, I just got back from the land of Oriana. Never been there? That doesn't surprise me. They don't have an airport. Come to think of it, I don't even know if I could get back there myself. Boy, some of the people and creatures there are pretty strange. You see, Oriana is in another dimension. That might sound far away, but it's closer than you think. One thing for sure. Trouble is trouble.
Okay, what's your name?
No matter where you are.
Your name? Look here, pussycat. If you live here, you work for me. You got that? Pussycat? My name is FeLIX, and I don't work for anyone.
He's a temper and unfettered while approaching the changing scenery. Knows one cause for pause. One thing about the law knows enough to keep both of them. When he's well in settings, can tell you that he's watching out for jeopardy. To know that it won't become he has a bag of tricks, you see. By which he gets in gears to save the day. This is how we start his symphony. Oh, could you really take my hand and save us all in these fantastic lands from the barren Duke and his spiteful offensive hand in equal stand? Or just to lend another hand to those who need you and your magic harmony? Oh, will you show me how to be brave where there was no comedic chance to leave? And when my world and just for that you to feel me scratch your brow. Want to wonder how we'll never go back. Won't we?
I can. I'm old. They won't harm me.
Oh, but they blocked the tracks. Cosmic Palladium. We can't let the cube see us. Quiet, Pearl, they'll hear you. This is a bad sign. They hear everything.
So you can talk, eh? Okay.
They missed us.
What's your
Now's
name?
our chance to get to the device
What?
port. Which way?
Your name? Look here, pussycat. If you live here, you work for me. You got that, pussycat? My name is FeLIX, and I don't work for anyone.
He's a temper and unfettered while approaching the change in scenery. He knows one cause for pause. One thing about the law knows enough to keep off of them. When he's well and set, can tell you that
So you can talk, eh? Okay, what's your name? What's your name? Luck here, pussycat. If you live here, you work for me, eh? Pussycat? My name is FeLIX, and I don't work for anyone. He's a temper and unfettered while approaching the change in scenery. He knows one cause, four pause, one thing about the law, and knows enough to keep up with them. When he's well and settings can tell you that he's watched enough of Jeopardy to know that and what's become of me. He has a bag of tricks, you see, golden magic like the patterns in companies, by which he gets in gears to save the day. This is how he starts his symphony with me. Oh, FeLIX, could you really take my hand and save us all in these fantastic lands, from the Baron Duke and his spiteful offensive hand in equal stand, or just to lend another hand to those who need you and your magic harmony. Oh, FeLIX, where there was no big tree, where there was no comedic chance to leave, and when you leave, you saved my world, and just for that, you get to feel me scratch your back. Oh, once a wonder how we'll never go back. Won't we?
We outfought them. Huh?
Look here, pussycat. If you live here, you work for me. You got that? Pussycat. full offensive hand and equal stand, or just to lend another hand to those who need you and your magic card on me. You show me how to be free, where there was no comedic chance to leave, and when you leave, you save my world, and just for that, you get to feel me scratch your back. Oh, I don't wonder how we'll never go back.
Not so hyper, bag.
Oh, the Duke!
What? Seize him!
Get him, FeLIX!
My dearest, I have won, and you won't. Worry, I have no need to dispose of you. That is, if
adversely to the purity of the gold binding on the ancient book, therefore shorting out its system and all of the Duke cylinders and cubes, which derive their power from the master cylinder. Simple.
Maybe, Poinsy, but I have a feeling there might be more to it than that.
I'm really going to miss you.
Well, maybe there'll be another time, another dimension. Who knows? Maybe back where I come from.
I don't think so. I'm going to close down the Defense Quarter for good. Next time, your dimension will be the one to see.
Gee, you're right. But I'll never forget you. You're the most fantastic princess I've ever met.
FeLIX, we could use friends like you here. I wish you would next time.
Gee, Oriana, that's nice. But there are so many things to do back home. Anyway, I forgot to cancel the milkman.
Milkman? That reminds me. I'm getting hungry. Let's go.
Yes, it's nearly dinner time in our dimension.
All right, all right. I'm glad it all worked out.
I don't understand. That only happens if gold is put inside the chamber. You see, the donut transport gold to the dimension. Now, let's see. Gold! Is there more? Oh, the lizards! That was so nice! Yeah, nice and well, I guess this time. FeLIX the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. Whenever he gets in a fix, he reaches into his bag of tricks. FeLIX the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. You'll laugh so much your sides will ache, your heart will go pitter-pat. Watch your FeLIX, the wonderful cat.
Drugs are allowed here, right? Yeah. Heard it all. Same old tune, huh? Wow, you're a vibrant color. Yeah, you and War Beaver. Tote the methamphetamine. See you later.
Nice hit.
Moby.
Hi, Vicky. How you doing? Yeah. It was a great ceremony. I'm glad it turned out the way it did. You know, thanks to you, there's so much happening. And, you know, I just really appreciate it. You and our life. Oh, thank you.
I told them all on you and all you were holding. Did you see me? Did you see my eyes? Now, did you hear my lies? Or am I singing with myself? Oops. Well, so much for keeping that side I wasn't going to include metal, but we are. Did you see my eyes? Now don't you hear my lies? Do you hear my words, or am I singing with my
much for keeping that subtle. Just for you, only so in me you are true. This will be a big fat 3 and 2. Numbers go well with a change in attitude. Like
Poser or something like that.
anyways, just in case you forgot what is the hottest craze, let me be your answer to the Minotaur in the Minute Maze. In your gaze. So pay up. I told them all on you and all you are holding. Did you see me? Did you see my eyes? No, don't you hear my lies? Do you hear my words, or am I singing with myself? Well, so much for keeping that subtle. I wasn't going to include metal, but here we are. Just for you. Only so in me you are true. This'll be a big fat 3 and 2. Numbers go well with a change in attitude. Like art. Or just something like that. Anyways, just in case you forgot what is the hottest craze, let me be your answer to the Minotaur in Minute Maze. In your
So to me, when you see some movie about somebody just doing some horrific deeds, in a way, by watching the movie, you have related to and expressed that emotion or that desire, and therefore you don't need to go do it. And kind of like, it's like, you know, kind of letting the steam out in a way. But the more you repress it and deny it, the more it's going to come up somewhere, and it's not going to be pretty when it happens, and it'll be real when it happens rather than just, you know, a book or story or a film or a song. So I think it's important because it doesn't, you know, we have all those nasty things that you read about or come up with or see in a film or hear about in a song. Those are in you. And if you deny that those things are in you, they're going to bite you.
Yeah, when you come to the show, just pretend you're watching Apocalypse Now. It's a film.
Yes.
Don't think of it as going to see a band who's going to sing pop songs for you. Think of it as going to a ballet or a musical event or a movie.
Yes.
A really long movie.
No, I think they're saying, like, say, compared to songs like Sweat or Hush, which are far more, you know, quick and to the point. Third Eye and Push It are far more exploratory and have a lot more of a soundscape and depth. I mean, as far as like length and movement, there's a lot more, you know, there's definitely a lot more, it's like those songs are more like Apocalypse Now, and probably the songs on Opiate are more like Reservoir Dogs, where it's pretty direct and minimal. Still explored as much, but so maybe that's what they're saying. And I guess, yes.
Then it's just, it gets weirder in a good way. I always compare it, like, you know, when we write songs, it kind of turns into these, like, soundtracks, like, for a film. You know, it's just kind of weird, and, you know, it's all right if you don't get that. It's,
So I noticed that on the record, you tease people with little bits, and then you think you're never going to hear from it again, and then you come back and keep these themes coming through.
Yeah, they're each little films, basically.
These nuts, extra big and extra salty. You've never tasted nuts like these.
I roll on Pussifer because I feel like I'm not only am I kind of the director, I'm actually kind of putting it in terms of film. Matt is definitely the DP and the director of sorts, but I'm definitely also the director, but I'm also an actor in that film. Those analogies are stupid.
They're meant for soundtracks, so they're meant for segues from one scene to another, or to amplify a scene or calm a scene down.
You know, we talk about concepts, and then I just, you know, try and do it visually, and it's like it's all based on. I don't know, just kind of like, you know, I look at the whole album as a film soundtrack or something, and then I try to picture, you know, images and feelings and emotions and you know, just all that element to it, and just try and make something really artistic that expresses what's going on with it. I don't know. That sounds too pretentious.
No, it doesn't.
You've got some attitude, mister.
Did you ever love me? Weren't you my friend? Could you ever want me? Wow! That's a beautiful name. Have I been lost in a trance? Were we just dancing as friends? Would you even give me a chance? Was I even worth it in the end? Do you like scary movies? Wanna dance again? Wanna be friends? Wanna pretend? Wanna be friends. Wanna pretend. Wanna dance again. Wanna be friends. Wanna pretend. Wanna dance again. Wanna be friends. Wanna pretend. Wanna dance again. Wanna be friends.